Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to reset the purge counter on a Brother MFC J4410DW. This is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen and the home button over here. Now if you're getting an ink absorber full message on your printer, I'd recommend doing this purge reset just to get a little bit of extra life out your printer. You can get the ink absorber replaced either by a technician or by doing it yourself, but that's either a more expensive or a more involved process. So what we tend to recommend to customers is just doing this reset yourself and getting a little bit of extra life out of the machine. You can always chuck a bit of cardboard underneath the printer in case any ink spills out, and just keep an eye on your prints for any ink that might be getting on there due to it overflowing. But as long as you're cautious, I think this is a great way of getting a bit more out of your investment. So, from the home screen of the printer, what we need to do is hold down the home button, which isn't illuminated, but it's just here. I'm going to hold it down for around 5 to 10 seconds until it goes to a black screen with the whole series of bars in there, just like this. Now what we need to do is hold this blank bar here and hold that down for around 5 seconds, which brings us into the maintenance portion of the printer. Now we need to enter asterisk or star, which is on the screen to the right. So press that double arrow button to get us here. We do asterisk and go back, and it's 2, 8, 6, 6, 4, which brings us into proper maintenance mode, essentially. Now when you're in maintenance mode, we need to get to the point where we can essentially scroll through the different maintenance options this machine offers. So we press 8, 0 to go into that. When the time is changed at the top, you know you're there. So we press the right arrow twice until we're on this little screen with the down, up, left, right buttons there. And what we're going to do is press the down or up arrows to scroll through the various maintenance options. And you'll see these at the top changing. We're going to go through until we get purge and then a whole load of numbers. Okay, so purge, and that's the internal counter of your printer saying how full it thinks it is. So to reset this, press the left arrow till we're back on this screen with the numpad. And now on this screen we enter 2, 7, 8, 3, which resets the purge counter. Now I can assure you it's done, but if you want to go through that process again, navigating the maintenance options, you'll get back there and you'll just have a screen with 000 across the top. But feel free to just take my word for it. So to exit maintenance, all we do now is enter 99. Your printer resets and brings you back to its home screen again, allowing you to carry on printing, and as I say, get that little bit of extra life out of your beloved printer. But I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.